Hello dear, welcome once again to our online class for standard 5. We are going to learn about our EVS 2 life on earth. Here I would like to take an opportunity to say thank you to my all officers. First of all, I am Pramila Vagmare. Our administrative officer is Mrs. Nellata Tumbre, Nodal Beat Officer Mr. Sharad Kurhade, Nodal HM Mrs. Mary Pushpa, Assistant Nodal HM Mrs. Manpreet Kaur Anand, and CNO Ratilal Kisan. Whenever we start our class, we start with a good. It is a good thought of the day. Hari, please read it for us. Harish is there. Harish, can you read it?
What you will become tomorrow.
Yes. Whatever you are studying today, it is for your better tomorrow. Understood? Very good. Yes. Here, due to Corona, we are in our house. We are tied due to this Corona. Cannot move out. We cannot do anything. But fight strongly against Corona and drive it away from our society, from our earth, and become a Superman of your house, your society. Now let's have a turn to our previous knowledge, whatever we had learned in our previous class. Let's have a look at it. I would like to read this question for you.
On which planet do you live? Moon, Mars, Earth. Sea, Earth.
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 It is
Earth.
Earth.
Yes, teacher.
Earth.
It is Earth. Then,
Yes, Miss.
very good, my dears.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
We are living on Earth because Earth is a lively planet. It have water for living things. It have all ample of oxygen, though it is going to little bit but now then also it is a good for us. Now in history you must have learned there are 2 times in history. In one time we get some records available to learn, study, but in some we could. Do you know what period is that? Yes, Sakshi. Do you know what period is that? It is prehistoric period.
Yes, Miss. I know it.
And the written record where we got all information to learn and study about our ancestor is known as historic period. Now, whenever we are learning about history, we cannot forget
Yes, Miss.
personalities who help us to learn our history. Now, let's have a look at it. To learn history, these persons help us very much.
Introduction.
I would like to tell you about this person who help us to learn history.
Yes, Miss.
Aditya, please read this for us.
Miss, I can read Sakshi.
Yes, Sakshi, please continue.
Dating method, carbon 14 is a radioactive element that is found in the bodies of all living organ, organs.
Organisms.
After the death of an Miss, what is this? What is this?
Bolo, please let me know the spelling where you cannot read. Please say the spelling.
ORGANISM.
Organism, it is organism.
Organism. The carbon 14 in the body begins to decrease. Then piece of food, charcoal, bones, fossils, extra from the prehistoric period are found. It is possible to measure the remaining carbon 14 in a laboratory by measuring the remaining C14 in the object. We learn how old the object is.
Very good, dear. It is a dating method. Just like we are counting our birthdays, birth years from our birth date and birth year. Like that only, it is a method to count the age of a particular thing from the how old it is by counting the quantity of carbon in that particular thing. For example, wood, charcoal, bones, fossils, etc. And that's why we could learn about our prehistoric period by measuring the remaining of the carbon quantity, that is C14, in that object. We can learn how old that object is. And that's why we could learn about prehistoric period, ice age, and all that. Let's have a look at our next class, next slide. Here we are going to learn about the
Life on Earth.
that is
Life on Earth.
Earth. This is our picture of Earth. It is a
Introduction.
in
Introduction.
now in this class, in this lesson, we are going to learn about formation of Earth. How does this Earth form? Then beginning of the Earth on the beginning of life on the Earth.
The animal on the Earth.
Now let's have a look.
Formation of the Earth. Miss, can I read, Shamika?
Yes, dear Shamika, please continue.
On the basis of scientific research, it is believed that around 4.5 billion years ago, an enormous cloud of very hot gases and dust spinning at speed was formed in space. Its
Yes.
circular motion and great speed catch it to divide into several
Portions.
Portion. Thus, creating the sun and the planets which revolve around the sun. The names of the sea planets are one Mercury, second Venus, third Earth, fourth Mars, fifth Jupiter, sixth Saturn, seventh Uranus, eighth Neptune.
Yes, dear, very good. Just in the previous slide, we learned about the dating system. This dating system help us to learn about the age of that particular object. The same thing, scientific research shows us that approximately 4.5 billion years ago. How much does it? 4.5 billion years ago, an enormous cloud of very, very hot gases and dust spinning at speed was spinning at its own speed and form in space. Circular motion, it is moving in circular way, and due to its speed, divided into several portions, and that will help create the sun and this planet. That planets which revolves around the sun. Few of them are here: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter,
Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Neptune. Nowadays, it is said that Neptune is not a planet. It is just a dusty object. Now, I would like to know
Mercury.
Write the names of the planets.
Please take a screenshot and do it in your notebook.
Okay, miss. Okay, miss. I take it.
Previous slide will help you to know the
Miss, I also take it.
names of the planets. Is that?
Mercury,
Take a
Venus.
screenshot of this slide also and this slide also to do your homework.
Yes, I take this one. I'm not taking this. First one.
Yes. Can you say?
This one, first one. Before slide.
Okay. Now, here the names of the planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth,
Mars, Jupiter,
Uranus, and the last one is the Neptune. Yes.
Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Very good. You have to write this. Huh?
Okay, teacher.
Yes.
First,
Beginning of life on the earth.
On the earth.
Miss, I can read this one.
Yes, dear. Please continue.
The earth is a lively planet where life is born to exist after the formation of the earth. It took about 18 crore years for its surface to cool down and for water bodies to be formed on it. It is believed that various kinds of unicellular organisms or living things were separated in water. They are now at protozoa.
Yes, dear. Very good. Now, how does life start on the earth? As you know, the earth is revolving around the sun, and due to its position of the galaxy, it Earth took around 80 crores of years to cool down and to form the water bodies on it. As you know, our Earth contains approximate 80% of its surface covered with water, and only 20 to 21% Earth is remained to live. But it is believed that the various kinds of unicellular organism, or you can say living things, that first appeared in the water only, and it is known as protozoa. Now it is yes.
The protozoa are so tiny and they cannot be seen with the naked eye. We require a microscope to see them. It is said that multicultural living things develop from these include organisms seen through a microscope.
Yes, dear. This protozoa are very small, so small that you cannot see through your naked eye. And to see it, we require a microscope. And it is said that this the multicellular living things like plant and animals are developed through this unicellular organisms only. To see this unicellular organism, we required microscope, that is in the laboratory. This is a
Microscope. A microscope is a library instrument used to examine objects that are too small to be seen by the naked eye. In 1592, Dutch fathers and son them Hans and Jacques create the first microscope.
Dear, okay, Shamika, very nice. This microscope is a laboratory instrument. It is used in laboratory to examine objects that are too small, which we cannot see by our naked or simple eyes. In 1590, two Dutch spectacle makers means the we are using on our eyes, that father and son came. Hans and Jacques create this first microscope. I would like to ask you one question over here.
Yes.
And who invented first microscope?
When and who invented first microscope?
So for you, the answer is here. In 1592, Dutch father
maker, father and son
create the first microscope.
Pooja,
Got it?
and my assassin 53 sir.
Yes, miss.
You can take a screenshot.
I take it.
Miss, I am not. Please wait.
Fast. We do not have that much of time to wait.
Join
Miss, I take it.
Good. Now let's have a next slide.
Miss, I can do this. The animal
Yes.
world on the planet and animals. Of plant and animals.
Yes. The living things on this earth
Plant
contains two types of living things. One are plants and the another one is animal.
Animal.
Plants
Yes.
cannot move from its place. It cannot move from one place to another place in search of food or water or whatever it required. But animals are the things, it is the living thing which can move from one place to another
Another
place,
place.
water in search of food and the other lively thing. Now, characteristics of animals.
Characteristics of animals.
That means the features which can studied
Animals and living
learn
things
about
have
living things.
animals and living things have some of their own needs as follows.
Yes.
First one, animals
First
breathe.
animals,
Second, animals
breathe.
breathe. First, animals
Yes.
breathe.
You can see in this picture all living
In all,
animals, all
all,
animals, all
1.2,
living things,
1.2.3.4
inhales and
example.
exhales.
Exhales. Sorry, exhales.
Second one, animal move in order to get food or of other purpose.
Yes. Just before only I told you that animals move from
In
one place to
order.
another place to get it food, to get water, or for any other purpose.
Yes.
In this picture, you can see this tiger,
Yes. Yes.
this fox and kangaroo. They are moving from one place to another.
Another place.
Another.
Now,
Animal of some species
Can I read, Shamika?
lay eggs and their young ones are born out of eggs.
yes, animals of some species lay eggs and their young ones are born out of eggs. You must have seen in your vicinity about crows, parrots, or pigeons. They lay the eggs and give birth to their young ones. Now,
Can I read? Animals
yes,
of some other species. Animals of some other species give birth to their young ones.
yes.
Animals and young
As
ones.
we learned about, some animals are laying eggs and some are like that. They are giving birth to their young ones. Here in this
Young bird.
picture, you can see buffalo, a cow, tiger,
Lion, tiger.
lion, and their
Yes.
young ones are also with them. Now
With-
let's revise.
Can I read?
Shamika,
Yes.
can I read, Shamika?
Yes, dear,
Please,
please.
Shamika.
Let's revise an enormous cloud of very hot gases and dust spinning at a great speed was formed in space. Its circular motions and speed caused two formations of the earth.
Very good. Just in the beginning of the class only, in our when our class started, I told you that it was an enormous cloud of very hot gas and dust spinning at very great speed, and its speed helped to form the earth. It caused to form the earth.
Protozoa is the first living thing appeared in the water.
In the water.
Yes. It is the very tiny thing which first appear in the water. With
Water.
your naked eye, simple eye, you cannot see this. You required a microscope to see this.
It is
Now,
living thing.
Living things on
the
the earth
consists
of
plants
plants
and
and animals.
Living things on the earth consist of planet and animals.
Yes.
Plants and animals.
Now let's have
Exercise.
exercise.
Answer
Answer
each
each
question in the one
question in
sentence.
the one sentence.
We need a microscope to see unicular
No,
organisms.
no.
It is
What is
What
unicellular.
instruments do we need to see a unicular organism?
unicular organism?
Yes.
Answer: we need a microscope to see unicular organisms.
Okay.
Where did
Where
the protozoa appear first?
The protozoa appeared first. Answer: the
Answer.
protozoa first
The
appeared in the
protozoa
water.
first appeared in the water.
okay. What instrument do we need to see a unicellular? Unicellular means which do not have any cellular in it.
Answer:
Organism. And answer for it is we
we
need
need
required a
we
microscope
need
to
a
see
microscope
unicellular
to see
organism.
unicular
Where
organisms.
did the protozoa appear first?
Answer:
Protozoa, tiny, very small animal
yes.
that first appeared in the water that we cannot see with our naked eye. For to see this protozoa, we required a microscope.
Microscope.
And now
Microscope.
please don't read. I will continue. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Now the next question is arrange the given
What is it?
Below in
given below chronological order. Some events are given here and you have to arrange which one is the first one. The first thing is given here. Water bodies appeared on the earth.
The earth on
The
surface,
sun and the planets revolving around
the water bodies
protozoa appeared in water.
the protozoa appeared
Appeared
in
in water.
the
And
the
enormous
water bodies appeared on the earth's surface.
space. Who will arrange it, Shamika?
protozoa appeared in water.
No, dear, it is the first thing.
Miss,
Water bodies
I can
appeared
arrange
on the earth's
Yes.
surface.
This is the sun.
the sun and the planets moving around
This is the first one.
around
An enormous cloud of hot gases and dust was formed in the space. This is first
Fourth one.
The second one is the sun and the planets revolving around it were created. After that,
around it was created.
What is
The
first?
sun
water
and
bodies
planet moving
Water bodies
around
appeared on the earth's surface.
and the last one is
were
Protozoa appeared in
created.
water.
water. The first one,
An enormous cloud of hot gases and dust was formed in
this is the
space.
second one,
The sun and
The sun
the Miss, the sun and the
sun
planet
and
and the
this is the
planets
third one.
revolving
moving around
water bodies
were
appeared on the
created.
earth's surface.
This is the last one. Here I have
Protozoa
different markings so that
appeared in
you
water.
could understand it. Just take a screenshot.
Yes.
Answer the
following in brief.
short.
How were the sun and the planets in our solar system created?
Answer is given for you. Just read it.
On the basis
On the basis of
scientific
scientific
research, it
research,
is believed
it
that
is believed that around 45 billion years ago and 4.5 billion years ago an enormous cloud of very hot gases and dust spinning at a great speed was formed in space. its circular motions and great speed caused it to divide into several portions, thus creating the suns and the planets which revolve around the sun.
Very good. Take a screenshot to write the
I take
answer
it
of this
screenshot,
question.
miss.
No, miss.
Do it fast.
Miss, I
Approximately
take it.
4.5 billion years ago, an enormous cloud of very hot gases and dust spinning at a great speed was formed. And its circular motion, great speed caused to divide it into several portions, and that helped to create the sun and the planet which revolve around the sun. Now, write the characteristics of a living thing or animal.
Animals breathes.
Yes, animals breathe.
Animals move in order to get food or
Yes,
Animals move in
others
order to
purpose.
get for
Animals
other
of some
purpose.
species lays eggs and here
Animal
young
of
ones
some
born out legs. Animals of some
young born
other
out
species
of
give
pups.
birth
Animals on some
to
other
their young
species
ones.
give birth to their young ones.
yes,
Only
some
one by one
animals
read.
lays eggs and give birth to their young ones, whereas some species give birth to their young ones. Take a screenshot to write in your notebook.
I take it.
Now, this is
Homework.
the homework for you. In this
Yes.
picture,
Planets names.
some
Find the
names
names of the planets
are
in
hidden.
The
box
box
below.
below.
Screenshot, do your homework.
Mercury,
Miss
Jupiter,
Mercury, Venus, Mars, and
Jupiter,
Jupiter, Neptune,
Neptune.
Saturn,
Teacher.
Uranus.
Do you know this? Some scientists feel that there is a possibility of life on Mars.
However,
About it,
no,
you must have seen in the news that there are research are going to search the possibility of life on the Mars. However, no evidence regarding this has been found yet. Like our Earth, Mars also have volcanoes, valleys, and desert. It also has polar region that covered with ice. 95% of its atmosphere contains carbon dioxide, which is very much helpful for living things like plants. It also says that oxygen in very small quantities are found on the Mars and also water. Hence, thought that life may exist on the earth. The soil on earth is found to contain some components that are essential for growth of plants. More research is going on. In light of all these facts, however, the existence of water in its liquid form is very much essential for the life to exist. You know that we cannot live on ice or any other such thing. We require water to drink. And that's why it is said that existence of However, the existence of water in its liquid form is essential. It is true that the polar regions of Mars are covered with ice, but there is no liquid. Yes, we can go through it. The idea of a man from Mars has become popular through literature and cinemas.
but scientific
But
research.
scientific research has not confirmed it, has not yet proved that yes, it is there. India also launched a spacecraft named Mangalyaan. You must have seen that movie, Mangal.
Yes.
Yes. On 5th November 2013, and the mission was successfully accomplished on 24th September 2014. This is a very important historic event in the
This is a history event.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Nadia.
you.
Thank you. Have a
Enjoy the
nice day.
lesson.
Stay home, stay safe, and
You also stay safe and safe at home.